Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a green from Rainbow Friends surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Rainbow Friends green surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm just going to take my paper, I'm going to give it a nice fold in half, just like I'm making a birthday card. Next I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold it one more time like this, giving it another nice fold. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the eyes of green. So we're going to make two oval shapes up here. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a big oval shape right here. And you can see it's kind of curved in just a little bit. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to make another big oval shape. I'm going to try to keep it about the same size. Next, I'm going to make the pupils. So I'm going to draw another oval shape right here. Then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to make another oval shape. I'm going to put a circle inside of here, and then a circle right inside of here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and color in this part of the pupil. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes right across here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line down underneath each eye. Then I'm going to jump over, and I'm going to draw another line coming straight down, right underneath the fold. And then right here, I'm just going to put a little curve for like a smile. So that was really easy to make. Now what we want to do is we're going to open this up and put all the details in on the inside. Once we have it open, let's start with the top. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that comes down on here, and then another line that comes down right here. Then starting here at the bottom, I'm going to draw a line that comes up, and then another line that comes up. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down to connect. And then I'm going to bring this line down, but I'm going to leave a little bit of an open space in here. Now, starting right underneath the fold, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve like this. And then right down here, I'm going to make another line here that's going to curve like this. You can see it's above the fold and below the fold. Now, right in here, I'm going to make some big, sharp teeth inside of the mouth of green. So I'll put some big, sharp teeth coming right across here. And then I'll do the same thing down here. I'm going to put some big, sharp teeth in here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And then over here, I'm going to make the tongue. So I'm just going to draw a long, kind of wavy line like this. And then starting here, I'm going to draw that same shape, but I'm going to make it a little bit bigger as it comes up. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves up. Now, I'm going to make this line come down, and then this line here. And then I'll also make this line come down. We're going to jump over the tongue and then go to here. Now, I also want to make his arms over here. So I'm just going to make his arms kind of like wavy. So I'm just going to start here by making a line that's just going to curve down, and it's going to come around here. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve around here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve out and come back. One more here. and then one more right here, and we're going to curve this up. We'll do that same thing over here. Let's curve down and then back up for a finger. I'll do one here, and then one more here and curve it up. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm just going to curve it back towards the body. Same thing here. I'm just going to curve this line around and then bring it back here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Green from Rainbow Friends in the surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have a simple little face of Green, and then when we open it up, his mouth is open, his tongue is out, and his arms are going all over the place. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.